Hi, Dory. What are you doing back there? That's so weird. Oh.
This is where she likes to go when it gets bouncing. You can hold on good, huh?
Got this red hot sun beating down my neck. That's all. I remember the summers we had, oh, way back then, that I can't forget. Pack a bag and head on south to a border town. Smiles all around, no cares of where and when. We're just getting in the groove. And sometimes I wish I could relive all the summer nights that we spent, and take me back to margaritas, shots of good tequila, long summer nights, kissing senoritas, parties by the ocean, bars that's never closing, hearts ran wild in this paradise of hoping we were free. As a matter of fact, take me back. Oh, we get in some trouble, man, every now and again in that crowd. We were the love 'em and leave 'em in, hoping nobody else found out. And sometimes I wish I could relive all the summer nights that we spent, and take me back to margaritas, shots of good tequila, long summer nights, kissing senoritas, parties by the ocean, bars that's never closing, hearts ran wild in this paradise of hoping we were free. As a matter of fact, take me back. Wanna live that life just a little more. So pour us up some shots, let's toast to the time we had before. Take me back to margaritas, shots of good tequila, long summer nights, and cast.
You had both guys off the ground.
Got that on film?
Yeah. Here we go, full throttle.
Hearts ran wild in this paradise of hoping we were free. It's a matter of fact, oh, we were free. It's a matter of fact, and take me back. Oh, take me back.
Been going on the trail ahead on the track.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we're gonna walk some of this. Hold on. Not a bad call. All right, so we're at another little junction, crossroads, whatever you want to call it, and we decided to poke this mud hole, which is on the main line. Well, let's demonstrate why we poke mud holes.
That's not even the deepest spot.
That's not the deepest spot. Hold on.
That's under there.
Let's take it over to a 35-inch tire.
Look before you leave, that's all.
Okay.
So that's a 35.
And that's all mud from there down, though.
Yeah.
Well, you got poke the mud holes, or don't. shackle of shame. Is that what they call it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get the shackle of shame, I guess.
Bring friends.
Bring friends, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't know what's been tearing that mud hole open. It could be 44-inch tires that are tearing those ruts open. You ain't clearing your diff past that.
Now, there is a bypass completely over here that keeps it completely dry. I think we're all going to take the middle line, solid bottoms. It'll get us right back on the track. Is that what you're taking, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do that one too.
All right, we'll show you that real quick. It's not a big deal. All right, so there's that mud hole right there that we poked. So about 35-inch tire. This is the complete dry one. It just goes around. We're gonna pick this middle one that has a hard turn, left turn in it. That's how it goes. Didn't seem bad at all. It stinks. Uh-oh. I'm turtled. Yeah.
Hashtag save Hector.
I'm turtled. Turtle.
Turtle, turtle.
Even heroes need a tug.
This is the first time I have ever seen Josh stuck. And I have the honor of pulling him out. And he does not like that I am talking shit. He's about to spray me with mud.
Yeah, just keep spinning those tires, turtle boy. Turtle.
XJ pulled me out. That's all that matters.
Oh no, if that's the case, Aaron, come on.
Aaron's pulled me out before.
I think I gave you a tug once
Yeah.
or twice, right?
Johnstown.
Yep, I'm getting out of the way. Full send.
Fuck.
There comes the whiplash. Little tug. Oh man. Oh, whoa. Tree right behind you. I want to change your angle. Careful, hold on. So you're all up on top of
I know
that.
what I need to do.
Okay, I'm just making sure, yeah, you're not going to get hung up on the strap. You going to double it up?
Shorten the strap.
Looking for a log in it. Let me climb the log.
He was about to like hammer down with a tree right
I
behind
saw the
him.
tree.
Hey, we're almost out. Slow, smart moves. I don't think you moved him at all yet. Skate buddies. Back up on there? Yeah. He's not, tell him he's not on the passengers.
Yeah, hold on. saver.
Everything should be in the trasheroo. Book bag. Good, dude. So I'll just bump it up with the winch. That's all I need is a bump. Honestly, we should have had him when we run.
Want to use yours, Brody? Yeah, we got enough.
Oh, do you want to try to pull him from the front? Or do you want me to try to pull him from the front?
We just want to.
All I need is a bump. Once I get up on these, I should be able to clear.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yours is already out. Throw it around there. Put a winch on it. Done. Slow, because it's all mud. Just needs to drag the dick. Use his. He's already got it out, anyways.
Okay. Cameraman are allowed to get hit. Hey, what's your name?
Hey! Fuck you!
Fuck you.
I didn't forget about you. Now it became awkward camera footage. Let's see how long I can stare at you. You win.